So I recently started exploring AI music generation, especially the website Suno.ai, and I just was skeptical at first, just being a professional musician myself, content creator. I also write music for television. And I was really skeptical of AI, and also a little bit fearful. And I just have to say, I'm pretty impressed by the results I saw from Suno.ai. I'm not sponsored by them at all, and I'm just using their website for fun to generate tracks. So I've generated a bunch of different styles of music with Suno.ai, and it's kind of hit or miss. Like some of the styles it can do very well, and others it's just not really great. One of my favorite styles of music is like Western, country Western, and like vintage Western, especially like echoey guitars, baritone guitar, that kind of spaghetti Western thing. So I asked it to generate some music for me, and it actually came up with something super impressive, and I was just blown away with how melodic and human-like it actually was. It auto-named the track Desert Visions, which I think is pretty fitting. Anyway, the guitar melody that it generated was pretty impressive to me. I was kind of blown away with just how melodic and tasteful some of the riffs were. So I decided to actually learn it on my guitar. And now I'm going to play along with the track so you can hear how you can actually generate music for the guitar with AI. I never thought it would be possible to generate a guitar part for the guitar and then actually learn it. I figured it'd be like the opposite. You'd have a guitar part that you've already played and generate AI based on that. And this melody sounds familiar to me. It sounds like a song that I've heard, but I can't really pinpoint which song it is. And I've gone back and I've searched through like a bunch of different movie soundtracks from the 60s, spaghetti Western type stuff. And I really haven't been able to pinpoint exactly what this sounds like. And that's what's so remarkable about it, is that it can generate music that sounds like other stuff, but it has a remarkably human-like quality to it that is sort of new, novel, and I just can't really pinpoint it or say it in any other way except that I actually like it. So you might be wondering, am I worried as a musician about my job security? And I have to say a little bit yes and no, but mainly at this point in my career, I'm not writing so much for television anymore. And so I'm just writing on the side for fun, and my main income is from my music lesson business and my YouTube channel. But for other writers out there, I do feel like that this will probably take over some of their jobs at some point. But the music industry for writers isn't that great anyway. It's a very, very small percentage of people that are able to actually do it and make an income. And the income isn't great itself. So it's just AI is just another one of those things that kind of chipped away at the industry. And I'm not bitter about it at all. I'm actually kind of excited for it. The one thing that I will say, though, that I wish AI would do is create something completely new, like a completely new genre. So like electronic music in the 80s and synthesizers and electronic drum kits, how that kind of took over in the 80s. I feel like AI could do something like that for us that's completely new and not just copying humans. Thanks for watching this, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please give me a like and a subscribe.